Hi everybody, I hope you're all good. I am going to show you just a very quick and easy, instant, long, voluminous ponytail using a hairpiece. So this is the Luxe Wrap ponytail from Hair Rehab London. It's so easy to use, but gives you instant results. It's literally, when you'll see in a minute, it takes like seconds. So this is Human Hair. This is shade Supermodel Style. So it's kind of like a warmish, dark, slightly darker blonde. And you'll see inside you've got your comb clip, and then you have this separate section which has some Velcro on it. This is basically going to help secure it. But all you need is the hairpiece, a hairband, and some grips. Okay, so I'm just brushing through my own hair, getting rid of any knots. And then, let's get the hairbands at the ready. I'm just going to pull this. I might actually move so the TV is not behind me. That's better. Right, so I'm going to pull my hair up into a pony. I'm going to go for a spot, like not a high pony, but like just above like mid-height. And then before I put the hairband in, this is the point where I kind of pull out any little baby hairs. I don't really like all my hair up to my face. I think it's just like, I don't know, a confidence thing, but just pull some of these out. Doesn't need to be neat. I have lots of baby hair, so there will be lots going on. Might pull a couple of longer bits down. Obviously you do it how you like to have your hair. There is no right or wrong going on here. Okay, so hairband is going in. So that is ponytail currently. I mean, it's not bad, but we want more. We want a bit more glam than that. So taking the hairpiece with this comb, you're going to go between the hairband and your head. Just get all backwards, and then you can see you're going in there. Push downwards. Then take one half of the ponytail underneath. Then the other half, remember the Velcro section I mentioned? So with this piece, you're just gonna wrap that around so it meets on the other side. The two pieces of Velcro then should stick, so it actually just stays as is, but we're gonna make it super secure. This piece then wraps around the base. So this is almost like your own hair hiding where the ponytail meets your head. Then this end section, this is where you're going to use your grip and just grip that in. You're just gripping it into the base of your ponytails. Now I tend to use probably like, 3 or 4 of these just to be extra secure. Just go literally all the way around the base. So your grips are in, and then literally I'll just take a brush. I pre-tonged the hair, by the way, because it's human hair. You can literally tong it, straighten it, do whatever you want to it. So that is it. That's it, it's done. How easy and quick was that? So it's a 20-inch human hair ponytail, so you can tong it, you can straighten it, you can color it, you can add root spray to it and then wash it. You can do whatever you want to it pretty much. It just looks like your natural own ponytail. But it's just such a quick and instant way to like instantly elevate your look. I'll do the test as well, so it does not move. As long as you've gripped it well enough, it will stay in. It will stay in all day. Yeah, I cannot recommend this one enough. I hope that I've shown you just how easy that is to put in. I hope you enjoyed that, and I will see you all very soon. Bye.